Hi friends, this is Noor and you are watching Mobile Solutions. In this video I am going to show you how to jailbreak iPhone. So first of all we should have a USB which I have already installed Jailbreak software. So we have already made the bootable USB. So first of all I will plug the USB in my computer. My computer must be power off first, and then I will press the power key and just click on boot key. Depends on your computer. My computer boot key is F9 and your could be different. So I will select the USB which I already put it. It's loading now the checkline files. As you can see, there are some options appeared. So we can select this one, Alt F2. So just we will press and hold. Just we will press and hold Alt plus F2, and now you can see the jailbreak menu is appeared here. So we will press the start button here, but this is disabled. So for that we have to reboot. We must reboot our phone in recovery mode or DFU mode. So for that we have to hold home button and plug the USB cable. As you can see, my phone is booting now, and it's already booted in recovery mode. And now I will plug my cable in computer. As you can see, start button is enabled now. So just I will click on start, press enter. You can see there are three options. So when we move to the second options, it will ask us to press and hold the side button and home button together, means this home button and this is the side button, means power key. So when we move to the third option, it will ask us to release the side button, means this power button, but keep holding the home button. So we will start the job now. Just press enter and hold both keys. As you can see, it turned to white and we release the button. You will see here, as you can see, now it is enabled, and now it is started. The Jailbreak installation is started now. It will be finished in a while, and our phone will be jailbroken in a minute. This is very easy method without any risk. So we'll have to wait to be booted in normal mode. As you can see here, all done, and we can press on done, and here our job is finished. My phone is totally jailbroken now. For that, how can we know this is jailbreak? So for that we have to press and hold power key and unplug my bootable USB cable or USB. I can open my 3U tools. connecting my device. Please wait. As you can see here, jailbroken. If you can see here, jailbroken, yes. So my phone is totally jailbroken now. So friends, if you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel in order to get notification of every new video that I'm going to upload in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.